What's going on, suckers? Welcome back. So if you guys have been following me on social media, you know that I brought a truck that was one of my first ever builds back to life, and it needs a tune-up. So we're gonna go ahead and knock that out. Check it out. Well, wouldn't you know it, here it is, and here is the monster in all its dirty glory. That's a 454 board 40 over. That's what that is. It's filthy. And I drove it yesterday. Guess what? She overheats. So I'm going to go ahead and swap out that thermostat today, right under that housing. You're going to come along for the ride. Let's go. First, disco your battery. Second, check your coolant level. You guys see anything in there? Yeah, I don't either. Then we're gonna come take this bolt off and this bolt off. Possibly remove this hose. I may just pull this off as one unit and see if we can reuse this gasket underneath here. If not, I may have to go get a gasket. I forgot about those. Here's your thermostat. Where's the... Well, it definitely was taking fluid last night because it's wet. And here's the new. It's just your basic stock Duralast, nothing crazy. Now, we add our engine coolant. Ooh, I like that. Alright, so we got our fluid. I don't know if you can see it, probably not. Let's see if we can shed some light on this bad guy for you. Alright. Where is it? Anyway. Focus. Alright, well, it's full. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and reconnect the battery, and we're going to run it, and then we're just going to burp our radiator here and get all the extra air. It's bad. I love that. We're going to burp this and get all the air bubbles out and make sure that it's running smooth and good because we've already got the new thermostat installed. Everything's tight. Reconnect the battery, start the truck, and Bob's our uncle. He actually was my uncle. It's alive! It's alive! Alright, we're running. Had to get some help here. I had to jump it a little bit. She's a little old, she's a little tired. We're running. Oh, we're burping. That's what we're looking for. Getting all that air out. Now the thermostat just opened up and the level went whoop, way down. So I topped it off. I'm going to top it off a little bit more and we should be good. I know the thermostat's working because the level dropped. Well, that's going to do it, guys, on today's episode of Robbie Sucks. We got the thermostat working. It's no longer overheating. She's dirty. She's the dirty 30. But I'm going to give her a bath. Like, subscribe, keep coming back for more Robbie Sucks. Remember, it's okay to suck. Just don't give up. I'll see you next time.